Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a shape, change the color of shape, select the text edit, select another shape. Then select the text edit, select a sticker, duplicate the sticker. Then select the text edit, select another shape, duplicate the shape, save the shape, adjust the shape confirmation, select the 3D shape, extension, then select the draw, adjust the color red, then select the another shape, change the color, select the 3D shape. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.